More bad news for Netflix. Well, everyone, I guess they think it's good news, but I guarantee you it's just more bad news. They don't know what they're doing. So Netflix, it's just too easy to beat up on these things. Netflix is now going to do ads. This company, I mean, they don't innovate. I'm not even talking business model innovation. This is just like this is product innovation. That's all this is. Business model innovation is how can we embrace like a platform business model? How can we embrace third-party content? How could we go after YouTube? How could we go after UGC platform model? How could we have a hybrid kind of like premium tier? Right? We've had so many videos on the show how the only ones actually innovating in content business models are the platform monopolies. They're the people that have content platforms and actually have then a linear premium content streaming business, right? So like Amazon has Twitch and then they have Prime Video. You've seen them cross-pollinate those two businesses quite successfully together, and Twitch is killing it. You've seen YouTube try to launch their own premium like subscribing their own linear proprietary content into YouTube. That didn't work out so well. You've seen them now launch YouTube TV, right? So you're seeing multiple players innovating in this arena. Apple's doing its thing with Apple TV Plus. Then they've got their, Apple Music and podcasting, and they've been slow to drag their feet on, bringing in like premium podcasters that are exclusive to the platform. They've like flirted with doing it and they just haven't been able to execute on it. But nonetheless, right, all the content platform monopolies are tinkering around with a hybrid, right? What's like a 3P, a content platform business model plus a hybrid, a linear premium content model. None of the linear players go the other way. Disney doesn't go the other way. Netflix doesn't go the other way. HBO doesn't go the other way. Why is it all one way, right? Why is it always the tech innovators embracing business model innovation and disruption, and the incumbents in the content arena, not everywhere, but specifically in content, all they know how to do is just buy other companies that look like themselves. Frankly, Disney just buys other studios like Star Wars. Then they buy the MLB's like streaming thing, and they buy Hulu. Those are all linear business models with like digital on top. HBO, same thing. They just like merge with AT&T and then merge with Discovery and just do these mashups. Where is the actual business model innovation? Answer, nowhere, unfortunately. That's on them, frankly. Nothing new with this. Oh, now we're going to do ads. Why are you going to do ads, Ted? Oh, because we're like losing hundreds of thousands of subscribers who don't want to pay for our service anymore. Oh, could you have seen that one coming? Yeah, you could have. Why are you waiting now to do advertising? Like you couldn't see, huh? You think the competition is actually catching up with us? You think like we might lose subscribers in the future? You can, look at what your CAC is. Is your CAC increasing? Cost of customer acquisition? Like, you don't think there's some smart people inside of Netflix that said, hey, we might lose subscribers. Like you think they just finally realized they're going to lose subscribers when they lost the subscribers? No, I guarantee you no. There's smart people that work at Netflix that were ringing the alarm bell. I just don't think the top brass were listening to them because they're stubborn. And how do I know they're stubborn? Just look at how this company has behaved for the past like handful of years. They had such a huge head start that if they were actually more innovative, they would not be in this position. Like now they're just doing ads and he's speaking about their strategy at the fancy festival in France. Who does that? Like, just launch it, bro. Just like do it. Why do you keep talking about it? Just do it. And now they might partner with Google to run the program. I mean, they're never going to do it themselves. It's just sad. What you could do is say, hey, you know what? Now that we're going to do ads, we're going to do third-party content. That would be disruptive, right? No, they're just going to do ads on their same linear streaming business model, right? Like this is not actually anything innovative. The hedge funds have been saying to do ads for years, right? So if the hedge funds are determining your product strategy, you've got serious issues, Netflix. No innovation in programming, and we're going to let, new types of like user-generated or hybrid content creation models. Nope, nothing there. That'd actually be interesting. Nope. Instead, he says, we are not going to have ads in our premium tier. It's just going to be a separate tier. Guarantee you, he just lied right there. I guarantee you. Market, July 1st, 2022, market, once you let the ad genie out of the bottle, ad genie is going to want more eyeballs. And where does Netflix have the most eyeballs? Oh, that's right. In the actual business that they have called premium streaming. Like, without a doubt, ads are going to make it to the product you pay whatever it is, $12 a month for. I don't pay for Netflix. I will not pay for this junk. I will co-opt someone else's account and use their account because they've done a horrible job actually preventing that. So I don't pay for Netflix. I still watch some Netflix stuff. I will admit to that. But I don't pay for it. I use someone else's account. Try and find out whose account it is, Netflix. I dare you. Let's see if you can figure it out. If you like this video, go check out the actual positive video we did on Netflix like a year or two ago about what they actually need to do true business model innovation and how that could work. And they're basically predicting all of this. Go check out that video.